Yes, agreed. And this one is picked away. It has been picked away and gone miles again. 6 more.
What a shot that was. Once again, Jahangir starting off in style. With just giving the right angle to the ball, and the ball went miles for a maximum there. Using the pace of Malinga, and what a flick that was. Timing it so well, Jahangir.
Full toss. And he hit that away powerfully. 6 more.
Well, Malinga has been giving a lot of full tosses to Malir Malans. It's not a good sign for them at the moment. Jahangir is taking full advantage of every bad delivery he gets. It's going for maximums only, no boundary.
Yeah, they're dealing himself for the next game. For the second semi-final, this one is driven away onto the onside. Fielder ran hard. Have they saved it? If they have saved it, I think it's a brilliant fielding and brilliant work.
What a footwork on the boundary. Well, you need all kind of help at the moment. Great effort over there. Great effort over there. But this is why you need 2 fielders always coming in for the ball, so that the other one can save the boundary if you have just stopped that one. The quality has been good.
Full toss. He got that away and got that away for a big 6 again.
Attacking their main bowler. Back-to-back 6s for Ashraf Malinga. He's the leading bowler for North Nawabs, and he has been hit for maximums only. He's not able to bowl all those Yorkers in this innings.
For the dignitaries. And he goes again. He goes again. Better and bigger. My God, what's going on? Raining 6s here at Moin Khan Academy. 95 for 1. 4 overs done. First one is the full toss, and it gets struck, and it gets punished over the straight boundary for 6.
That one went outside the stadium. Absolutely brilliant shot by Jahangir, but a poor start by Ali Sher. A full toss to start with. Very easy for Jahangir to pick that up.
He goes offside. He goes offside. 1 bounce boundary for Jahangir. Oh my God.
On the merit of the delivery, he's making no mistake to hit all the boundaries and 6s. Jahangir is on fire. Back-to-back boundaries for him. Offside delivery, outside off-stump delivery, and putting it through the line.
And why they're bowling too many full tosses? Oh my God. Another one. It's hit away and hits away colossally over mid-wicket boundary for 6. That's a big one. Massive, gigantic hit.
Well, Jahangir all set to hit all the full tosses out of the park, out of the stadium, I would say.
Here is the last ball of this innings. And he got that away and got that away magnificently. And what a grand way to bring this half century up. Jahangir, you beauty. Half century in 14 balls, and he took the score up to 129.